then click it. It will perform a welding. Then you need to trigger this ultrasonic wave. It will do ultrasonic welding. Now it has already separated. About in this way. Has it been seen? Can already be seen on top. This is the working process in this mode status. Then this motor pulls it a bit. Like this, it pulls it away. Pull it open. Now it is aligned properly. When we need to adjust this position. Anyway, the first is the docking here. The docking here and here can be adjusted with screws. After docking properly. Then punching. As for punching, there are a few positions to pay attention to here. Let's remove this fabric. Make it clearer. Can you see it? This punching. Here we have a cutter. It's a press punching cylinder. How does this punching move out? For example, press here again. This is the loosening cylinder. It has a blade that lifts it, then moves this position over. Why does the punching move like this? This kind of shifting over. Punching translation. Did you see it? Is punching good? Punching goes down and presses. Punching frame down. Do you see it? The blade fully lowers to this position. You can cut it like this. That's the principle. So the lower mold. The mold is fixed. Then, for the hole, if you want to align the position, it relies on this adjusting screw, see? This adjusting screw controls it. So it punches. Upper cutter and the lower support are at the same point. Otherwise, the cutter will fall. Now the punching is done. Then lift the cutting punch. Retract. And this position, usually we place a piece of paper here. Okay, Ella.Shiwx takes the license. Not yet. Usually, we first lower this ultrasonic welding tool. No. Ultrasonic up and down. Can you see it? Usually, look, this ultrasonic and the lower part completely overlap. See it? Why? Because when it does ultrasonic welding, it needs to fully support the product. Only then can the welding be completed. Then you notice that position. Its position. First is the overall height. As for height, we have a screw here. Loosen this screw. Then the rocking motion can adjust the whole head's up and down movement. This up and down can control its height. Then this screw adjusts its levelness. When debugging like this, use a wrench like this to insert. Loosen it. After loosening, these 4 screws can adjust the 4 force points individually. Then raise it up again. Basically, overall, you can First, you can place a sheet of white paper, then pull on all four sides to see if there's any uneven pressure. This pressure is mainly adjusted by these four screws. That's all you need to do. After you finish adjusting it, once it's adjusted, it needs to be pushed up a little bit. Why? Because our paper is thinner than this product. This product is a bit thicker. So after you adjust the hammer, to achieve parallelism, you should slightly extend the screw upward, because its thickness is greater than the paper.